Hello, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? So today, guys, I'm going to show you how to fix a problem that is very common to a lot of VTXs, and that is the neutral light that keeps going out. So you're gonna take this cover off. This beautiful cover. You're gonna have 5 of these that you're gonna take out. That is a 5mm and the Allen tool. You have, now this is a very simple fix. This is my old neutral switch, okay? So you look right here behind your clutch adjustment lever. The only thing you're gonna have to do, you'll need to take this off. This bolt is a 12mm. You wanna mark it so you can put it back how it was. This right here is your clutch switch. You want to get some needle nose, pull this off. This is a 9/16 or 14mm. So once you pull that off, that right there, pull that off, it comes right out with your needle nose. Now you do want to put the bike, I have a bike stand and I set my bike upright. No oil came out of it. So you want to sit your bike upright on a bike stand or with some wood. You can put some wood blocks on your kickstand, but you want to sit your bike upright. When you do that, nothing should leak out of it. Also, you want to order one that has a crush ring with it. This is the neutral switch I ordered. As you see, it's part number 22120617. It was a K&S part. It came with the switch. See, it says neutral light switch for Honda's OEM 35600-425-023. If you order that, you should be fine. It comes with the crush nut. You want to take your old crush nut off with the old switch. Once you put your new switch in, you just put the wire connector back on here. You then put your clutch lever back. Put this clutch lever back, and like I said, you want to mark it. As you can see, mine is marked. And then you put your cover back on and ride out, my friends. It's that simple. It is that simple. I almost got stranded the other day, so I had to do mine. I was I felt a certain type of way because I had just put this beautiful bike back together. And but yeah, that's it, friends. That's it. Once you do that, this thing will ride like new. I tested it out, drove it. It's going right into neutral. I'm not having any problems. It was very hard for me to find neutral. Neutral was going out. Like I said, I almost got stranded because the bike wouldn't start. But that's it. Y'all be blessed. Ride safe.